you were part of the Lakas party?
Yeah.
Opo. How is it? Are there really defections? Like, for example, Congressman Albano moved also from Lakas to another party already. What is happening to Lakas, sir?
Wala naman akong ano, may mga nangyayaring ganun talaga. Ever since naman talaga may mga movement, 'di ba? Like for example, siguro right now the Lakas leadership is under attack. So siguro 'yun ang ano, 'yun ang this is politics.
Yeah. Ilan na lang po kayo sa House now?
The last time I heard is mga nasa 80, 90.
Ganun pa rin po kadami.
Parang ganun. We were more than 100.
I see. Do you plan to stay with Lakas, sir?
Well, it depends.
Depends
Titingnan
on what?
natin what will happen in the
On
next political scenario.
And meron ho kayong sino hong naiisip niyong posible lang na lipatan?
Wala pa naman. Wala pa.